Welcome to Mini Masters. Today, we're exploring the magical story of Aladdin, a tale of adventure, friendship, and discovering the power within. In the bustling streets of Agrabah, a kind-hearted diamond in the rough named Aladdin lives a humble life with his loyal monkey friend, Abu. One day, Aladdin encounters Princess Jasmine, who has escaped the palace to explore the world beyond. They quickly form a connection, but their worlds seem impossibly far apart. Everything changes when Aladdin discovers a magical lamp. By rubbing the lamp, he releases the genie, who grants him 3 wishes. Aladdin uses his first wish to become a prince, hoping to win Jasmine's heart. With the genie's humor, magic, and friendship, Aladdin embarks on a thrilling journey of self-discovery. But danger lurks in the form of Jafar, the evil royal advisor, who craves the lamp's power for himself. Through courage, cleverness, and the help of his friends Jasmine, the genie, Abu, and the magic carpet, Aladdin defeats Jafar, proving that true worth lies within, not in wealth or titles. In the end, Aladdin frees the genie with his last wish, and he and Jasmine are free to build a future together, knowing that love and friendship are the greatest treasures of all. Thank you for joining us on Mini Masters. If you enjoyed this magical adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Remember, being yourself is the truest magic of all. See you soon.